Okay. Oh, no. What just happened? Oh my, it is a problem, guys. Hello guys, so today we are back and we are going to play this game again. And well, as you know, last video I completed number 6, or not number 6, sorry. I completed part 1, I would say. So today we are back and yes, let's play. So I'm gonna get in number 3. So yes, it's going to be dangerous, I know that. Oh, are you, oh my goodness. Is it, how can, okay, first, okay, let's not talk about it. Oh my goodness, what in the world was that? Okay, that is quite disturbing. Okay, stop doing the elephants. Guys, don't mind the whole fact that there is something poking out through the cabin. Okay. Oh, I need to be a bit careful. Oh. No, oh no. Okay. Slow and steady win the race. Well, we are not doing a race, but I need to go a bit slow. Slow. Okay. Go. You can do this. No. Okay. Let's go. Please don't die. Okay. Oh no. What just happened? Oh my, it is a problem, guys. Get up. Get up. Oh no. It would be nice, guys, if there was some kind of hitch. Guys, I guess I need to start this from the beginning. This is where we died. So you can do this truck. Let's think, if I was the driver of this kind of truck in real life, oh my goodness, I cannot think about that. Oh, be careful. Oh my goodness. This bizarre truck, I hate this game. Guys, it is so oddly satisfying. Oh no. Okay. Please, you can do this. You can do this. Oh yes. I guess I'm gonna do this, guys. Guys, believe me, it's not easy at all. Oh my goodness. No. What just happened? Oh, I survived. Go. I'm gonna reach the destination. So yes, it is. This game is so hard. I will do this, guys. I guess it's not. It's hard, but it's quite fun. Oh no. Are you got to be kidding me, man? Guys, I don't know how the elephant are still okay. Let's ignore them. Oh my goodness, I need to start this again. I hate this game. Where we died, so I guess we are going to end this video. Oh no. Okay. Guys, it needs a lot of concentration to go through here. Okay. Chill. Go. Oh, I'm low on fuel, guys. I don't know how far I need to go. Oh, I did this. Oh my, did this. Oh my goodness. It is funny how I fall into... No, are you... What do you mean by that? Guys, you won't believe this, but I jumped down from that mountain. Oh. The elephants are like, okay, I'm a bit... It's so funny. It's so oddly satisfying, guys. So, am I allowed to go, please? Please let me go. Guys, it was insane that I just jumped down from that mountain. Oh. Am I stuck? No, you can't say that. I'm not stuck, right? Am I? No, yes. Oh, no. I'm not. Okay. I guess I'm good. Don't mind the whole fact that there is only one elephant. See, who wants... Okay. Who wants an elephant in their house? Like, there is no use of that. So guys, I'm doing this. I hope I did... Oh, I hope I did... No, elephant, stay on that, stay on that, stay on that. Oh, yes. Yes, guys, I did this. Don't mind the whole fact that there was only one elephant, because I don't know. Don't ask me all that. So we are going to end this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more of this in my channel, and bye bye guys.